Assalamu alaikum students, hope you all are fine. Today in this video we are going to learn about the describing words. This video will continue the previous video. If you have not watched it, please watch that first and continue here. So let us start with our text. You can see here, look at these pictures, then read the sentences given below. So what we have to do, we have to look at these first, look at these pictures, then read out the sentences given below. Okay. So here is the girl, you can see here, here's a boy with a knife, and here's a woman in a sari, green sari, and here is a boy with a balloon, and here are grapes, and here is a girl with a brown dog. Now let's read out the first sentence. Radha is a beautiful girl. The sharp knife cut my finger. Mother wore a green sari. Ravi has a balloon. Ravi has a one balloon. The grapes are sweet. Neha has a brown dog. You can see here the words beautiful, sharp, green, one, sweet, and brown. Okay. Yeah, use here the word color is used as a different. You can see here we have a pink color. You can see here the word beautiful and sharp. You can see the color is a pink. Okay, rest of the words have a black color. Okay, what's here? The pink color words describes the color in a green, in a black. You can see here beautiful. The word beautiful tells us something more about the Radha. In a previous video we have discussed it there, that's the name of a person. Okay, Radha is the name of a person, that's a noun. Okay, here the word beautiful describes Radha, so we can say here it is a describing word. Okay, it is a describing word. Here the word sharp describes knife, so we can say it is a word. This word sharp is a describing word. Here the word green describes the sari. Okay, color of a sari. Okay, so we can say here the word green is a describing word. So here we learn about the number of balloons. So here we know that this word one describes the balloon, so we learn about the number of balloons. So in this sentence we learn about the taste. Okay, taste of grapes. So here taste is sweet, so here the word sweet tells us more about the grapes, so we learn here about the taste of grapes. So in the last sentence what we learn here, the word brown describes the dog. Okay, color of a dog. Okay, color. You can see here that Neha has a brown dog, so the word brown tells us more about the dog. So we learn here what kind of a dog Neha is. We learn here that Neha has a brown dog. So you can see here that the word beautiful, word sharp, word green, and word one, word sweet, and word brown describes these things. Okay, things, and sorry, the nouns. Okay, nouns describes these all nouns. Okay, now let's move on to, we learn here that the words describe the persons, describing words describe the person, place. We learn in the previous video, so let's move on to the next. So okay, let us start with exercise A. Okay, exercise A, pick words from the box and fill in the blanks with a describing words. What you have to do here, in the box are some given describing words. Okay, heavy, strong, pink, good, too, fat, tall, brown. So these are called describing words. So what you have to do, you have to fill the spaces, given spaces. You can see here are some given spaces. You can see here. So what you have to do, you have to fill these spaces with describing words. You can see here describing words are given in a box. Okay, you have to fill these. Okay, and next you can take the hint or a help of these pictures to fill these spaces. Okay, let us read out the first sentence. Ramesh is a dash boy. You can see here Ramesh is a boy. What kind of a boy? He's a very nice, good looking person. So we can say here it's a good looking boy here. So we can say here it's a good boy. You can see here, take this here, Okay, good boy. Okay, so here the word good describes this boy. Okay, okay, we learn here Ramesh is a good boy. So this word good describes Ramesh. So Anandi wore a dash dash frock. You can see here what kind of a frock here Anandi wore. What is the color of the frock? Okay, pink. Okay, is there any word pink? Yeah, here is a pink. Okay, pink. Okay, Anandi wore a pink frock. So we learn here the color of the frock wore by Anandi. So here the word pink describes the color of frock wore by Anandi. Now let us move on to the next. Rohit is a dash dash man. You can see here it seems a bodybuilder, very strong and a brave man. So is there any word that suits with this person? Brown, tall, not fat and good. Yeah, strong is here. You can see here strong. Okay, strong man. We can use here strong. Okay, Rohit is a strong man. So the word strong describes this man here. Okay, so we learn here what kind of a man, what type of a man is here. Rohit, we learn here Rohit is a strong man. So let us move on to the next. The dash dash box fell down. Okay, you can see here it's a very big, okay, big, and a very when it is a big, obviously it would be a very its weight would be its weight would be a very heavy. So is there any word? Yeah, you can see here heavy. Word heavy is here. Okay, so the word heavy here describes this box here. Okay, this box. Okay, the word heavy describes this box. It describes the weight. It describes the weight of the box. So we learn here about the weight of the box. So let us move on to the next. He has a dash dash balloon. So as in the previous we talk about that the describing words describes the number of a thing. So we learn here, you can see here little boy, but here is a here we learn about the balloons. So here are two balloons. You can see here one and two. There are two words. You can see here the word two is used here. So you can write here the two balloons. So here we learn about the number of things. Okay. So this word two describes the balloons. Okay. Sixth one, the giraffe is a dash dash animal. You can see here giraffe is a very big animal. Okay, big and tall animal. So we learn here, isn't it? Yeah, the word tall is used here. So we can write here the giraffe is a tall animal. Very good. So let's move on to the next. The dash dash puppy is mine. You can see here puppy. So I think color, it might be about the color of a puppy. So you can see here it is a brown. Okay, yes, yeah, it is here used as a brown. We can use here the brown color. Okay, we learn in the sentence about the color of a puppy. So here we learn that what kind of a color puppy has. We learn about the puppy has a brown color. Okay, let's move on to the next. This is a dash dash cow. You can see here this is a cow. Yes, this is a dash dash cow. You can see here it is a very fatty cow. I think it is a fatty. Okay, yeah, it is a fat cow. Okay, word fat. So we learn here in this last sentence that about the shape. Okay, shape of cow. So we learn here what kind of a cow is. We learn here that the cow is fat. Okay, fat, about the fat cow. Okay, so this is all about the exercise first. Okay, today we have done this exercise first, and in the next video we'll move on to the next exercise. Okay, this is all about the exercise first, and Stay blessed, stay safe, and fi manallah.